The Toshi breakout is here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Toshi. We have finally broken out again from the $350 million mark. And guys, I think this is the final breakout. I do think that this resistance is going to turn into support. If that sounds like Chinese to you, don't worry. I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about. And for those that watch my videos, you guys already know today's a very, very exciting day because not just a pump, but because of what we've been able to accomplish in terms of market cap. Okay, let's get right into it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. If you guys are new here, please do subscribe down below, guys. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the year ends. That is my goal for 2025. If I could start 2026 off with 5-figure subs, that would be amazing. And you guys already know when it comes to base, I am the guy. Okay, I have another video coming out later today with the top base meme coins to go ahead and buy for October. So let's get right into it, guys. We could see right here, Toshi is up 14%. Bitcoin also made a new all-time high, guys. We actually hit $126,000 for one Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. Very, very cool to see. I am expecting multiple all-time highs for Bitcoin this month. And with Toshi really pumping and following suit, I do think we're going to see a Toshi all-time high very soon as well. Okay, so let's talk about it. Why am I so bullish? So this is the chart that we've been referring to multiple times on this channel. Now, basically, guys, this diagonal line, and I kind of explained this yesterday in more detail, but this diagonal line is the trend, right? And we can see we've been pretty much trending upwards ever since April. We kept making higher lows and we never dipped below a low point. We just kept going, right? It's almost like a staircase. We kept just going up and up and up and up. And yeah, we did have some downs, but every single time we just kept going up and up and up, okay? Now, this $350 million line right here, the horizontal line here, we could see this line basically indicates where we've been able to try and break through, but we've struggled multiple times, okay? We had it once over here right after the big crash. We had it once over here where we actually did go above it. We went all the way up to about 390, but then we fell all the way back down. We tried to hit it again here, but we made it to 320. We tried again here. We tried again here. The closest we got here was about 336. We broke it here, right? We went all the way up to about 466, but again, we went down, and now we have broken it one more time. So why is this bullish? Well, first off, guys, we have been able to break it multiple times recently within the past month, right? So that's one that's bullish because it's showing a lot of bullish momentum and it's showing that Toshi does want to get past this $350 million mark, right? Over here, we kind of had like an attempt and then failed, kind of had attempt again, and we just kind of did that for a couple months. But again, here we could see multiple breakouts, and today's breakout isn't even news driven from what I understand. Today's breakout is genuinely just the market, okay? So this wedge right here, there's either two things that are going to happen. One, we're going to continue to explode in the next coming days, and we're going to go into price discovery mode. So price discovery mode, guys, is basically what we've been doing here, right? Basically finding a range that we want to go into and a range where Toshi is just going to be trading at, right? Kind of also similar to like around here, nothing too crazy, no major pumps, just literally just trading sideways, right? Very common in crypto. I mean, even in stocks, it happens all the time. So we're either going to continue the breakout here and then go into price discovery mode, or we're going to have an insane rally and probably have a similar situation to this where we rally very, very high and probably have a major sell-off, and again, this is probably the most boring answer, is we end up failing this breakout and we come back into this range and then we would probably explode in the next coming months. Okay, so again, three possible outcomes. The one that's most likely, I think, me personally, assuming Bitcoin still continues to trot along, I do think we're probably going to have a nice little breakout and then go into price discovery mode. So basically, we'll probably continue this trend over here. But this trend will probably be a bit different. Like this trend, I don't know if we're going to have major crashes. And if we do have major crashes, we might actually come through. Like if I move this line up above over here, we might end up like maybe hitting it down the line. Okay, so again, this trend might be done depending on how big this breakout is. So again, we're going to have to wait and find out. Regardless, very, very exciting. Because remember, guys, no mountain is too high. Now, guys, one thing I will say as well, guys, if you are not a part of the private Discord, link is down below. Come through and check it out. We've been calling in some bangers recently, especially on base. A lot of great projects that we're calling out there. A lot of good money to be made, so come through and check it out. Link is down below. Cheaper than daily coffee. Now, the best cat, Toshi, is the mascot of the base and Coinbase, right? Soon reach billions, and everyone will be coming to base to find the next cat. Now, Moto is currently the 6th biggest cat on base. I expect Moto to reach 2nd place with Toshi. Now, I don't know about all that, but this is pretty cool to see, okay? Seeing Toshi at number 1 is genuinely very amazing. And realistically, guys, I think the Brett flippening is going to happen a lot sooner rather than later. Now, the cat super cycle is upon us. Toshi Base, the current top cat coin in the world, has lots of room to grow. Toshi, with the current market cap of Doge, would do a 106x, which is insane. Toshi, with the all-time high market cap of Doge, would do a 236x, which again is insane. Billions are ahead. Believe in something, okay? Very freaking cool. Now, Toshi is the highest 24-hour gainer among top 20 memes. I told you the blue cat is ready to do some flips. Very cool to see as well, guys, because listen, when you're a meme coin that's getting this much traction, is actually, bringing in results, and you notice that it's already on Coinbase, already on a lot of major exchanges, people are going to notice and people are going to lock in, okay? Now, I gotta say, huge shout out to Based Profit for this super cool tweet here. So basically, just a couple bullish points, right? First of all, guys, it's very well designed. There's low unit bias, IP is normie friendly, and it's the first meme on Base, okay? The first stage is now gone. So listing on Coinbase thanks to the wholesome community, amazing teams with strong ethics led by Cocos and Toshi Mart. The second stage is currently burning full thrust. So first off, guys, they're bringing tons of partnership and more utility with like the actual phones, right? We already talked about that multiple times. They're also doing a bunch of actual collaborations with brands and communities, right? They have one of the biggest Reddit communities. They are doing stuff with like shops and OpenSea, which is very cool. And they're also really deeply expanding into the Asian markets, right? They got listings from BitHum, BitGet, and Official Upbit. Very cool to see. And now the third stage is almost ignited and pretty obvious. It's tier 1 centralized exchange domination with Binance, Robinhood, and Hyperliquid, okay? But the fourth and last stage is here from the beginning. It's probably going to be the reason of Toshi reaching 40 billion. Can you guess it? And I'm not too sure what it is, but oh, he says it right here. It's the CGR prophecy about Catcoin. Regardless, I genuinely think, guys, this is about to be one of the most bullish months for Toshi. And again, right now, it's looking like all this pump is not news-driven. It's genuinely just market-driven, which is very bullish. Because now, when you tie that in with news-driven bullishness, we get to really see some explosions on the charts, guys. So, guys, if you are ready for more Toshi videos, I urge you guys to subscribe down below. And as I mentioned before, I do have another video coming out later today with the top coins to buy on Base right now. Okay, so guys, lock in. Let's make some money. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.